Although it may seem extreme, these two things have gotten me back over 20 hours of my time a week. Number one, I hired a house manager. I know it sounds extravagant, right? I honestly felt like a snob the first time I started searching for one. But house managers aren't just for billionaires with sprawling estates. Actually, if you really think about it, everyone has a house manager. It's just that if you don't hire one, you're the house manager. Let me walk you through some of the things that my house manager does for me. So this is our house manager board inside of Asana. It's broken down into a to-do column, which is kind of like one-off tasks, in progress column, which is things that she's in progress in doing, completed column, obviously things that they've completed, and then recurring tasks, which are things that they're going to do every single time that they're here, daily, weekly, monthly. And then there's also notes over here where we keep sensitive information like credit cards or logins, et cetera, et cetera. To give you an example of some of the one-off things that my house manager does for me is like right now I have her returning some bare bottom shorts that I bought. I bought two different sizes to see which one would fit me, so I didn't have to deal with going back and forth 3 or 4 times. The second thing is she's actually taking my car to get washed today. There's a local detailer that comes to the local Walgreens. She's creating a duplicate house key and fob for my girlfriend, and she's taking down and selling the master bedroom TV because I don't want a TV in my bedroom anymore. To give you an example of some of the recurring tasks that she's doing for me, these are the daily recurring tasks that I have her doing. So first of all, over here you have doing the laundry. Second of all, you have loading and unloading the dishwasher, watering and pruning the plants, filling my Brita water and espresso water, filling my protein shakers, spot vacuuming the house, fluffing and organizing cushions and pillows, wiping down all counters and surfaces, tidying up the house, organizing the outside furniture, taking out and replacing boxes and bags, replacing and restocking my iRobot bags, opening, unpacking, putting away packages, unpacking or packing any luggage, and then finally checking Asana, or me or my girlfriend if she has any additional tasks she needs to do before she leaves. An example of a task that may look a little extreme, but I actually really enjoy it, is underneath her weekly house tasks, she actually charges all of my devices. So I have multiple devices like, my shavers, my toothbrush, my water pick, et cetera, et cetera. And so first thing she'll do every single Tuesday when she comes in is she'll charge all those devices so I don't have to worry about charging them. The second thing I did was I hired an executive assistant. I haven't personally checked email or scheduled an appointment in over 3 years. Although these are important things that need to get done, I realize that they don't necessarily need to get done by me. Where my house manager covers a lot of the personal stuff in my life, my executive assistant can handle a lot of the business related stuff in my life. Here's what my executive assistant's board looks like in Asana as well. So it's laid out the exact same way: to do, in progress, completed, recurring tasks, and notes. To give you an example of the few one-off tasks that she does for me around business, right now she's scheduling a flight for me to go to Las Vegas for a podcast and mastermind I'm going to be at. She's handling and scheduling the company retreat that I have at our company, Scaling with Systems, every single year. And she's also scheduling and handling our mastermind event that we host for our highest level clients, which we just hosted in Medellin, Colombia. Now, here are some recurring tasks that my executive assistant also does for me. Number one, she sends pre-interview questions to potential applications whenever I am thinking of interviewing someone for a position. She checks my meals and schedules weekly dinners with clients or friends or family members. She manages my calendar, rearranges and confirms appointments. She checks and responds to my emails on a daily basis. I have a digital mailbox that's not at my house, so she checks that. She also actually is the one that's taking notes and assigning action items to the different meetings and departments inside of our company. She acts somewhat like a bookkeeper and categorizes my transactions for my bookkeeping software. She manages the company calendar, not just my personal calendar as well, and she even runs payroll. If you're interested in more time management tips, be sure to check out my morning routine here.